Progress depends on every American's dream. Dr. King built a coalition with our Jewish brothers and sisters and Latino neighbors. This year, we're joined by our Asian American, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Islander brothers as well. Prosperity for all will only come when we have equality of opportunity for all. The business community must also step up and build the best talent pipeline and invest in education for all Americans and stand strong in the face of racist backlash. We cannot abandon actions that promote diversity. It's time to fully embrace it, not only because it's the right thing to do, but because the data proves that diversity boosts innovation, productivity, and profits. Closing the racial wealth gap would increase economic activity in this country by more than $1.5 trillion each year. Equality is good for the American economy. Our higher principles of racial equity are great for the bottom line. And to echo the great Quincy Jones and Ray Charles, our self-worth must not depend on the acceptance of others. We are enough. We are enough to make our votes count, to hold our politicians accountable, to represent our interests, and to make sure that public resources are equitably distributed. We are enough to ensure our water is safe to drink, and we are enough to grow, harvest, and distribute nutritious food for our children and our elders. We are enough to enhance Black maternal health, diagnose and treat our sick, and bring mental wellness to those who need it, and not just let the justice system treat them as criminals. We are enough to educate our children in the truth of the past and enable them to embrace the opportunities of the future. We are enough to make our communities safe, beautify our neighborhoods, and create wealth through the ownership of our homes and businesses. We are enough to teach our children that they can live in ways that make God's glorious planet thrive with our presence, rather than wither and withstand our abuse. Even in the face of massive injustice, we have proven over and over again that the conscious divine intelligence has enabled us to be resilient, resourceful, and that we are bound only by the limits of our own conviction. We are enough to build the future, to grow our wealth and make sure that Black Americans thrive and America thrives. We are enough to enable our sons and daughters to be enough, to fulfill the dream that is the idea and the promise of America. Yes, we are enough. It is up to us to build the economic infrastructure that ends the racial wealth gap, speaking with our dollars, our voices, and our votes. We owe it to our kids to keep bending the arc of history. We owe it to the memory of those who came before and the dreams of those who come next. We owe it to the movement we continue today. And may God bless the shared future that we build tomorrow.